Good evening for everyone. My name is Haider Gomez Vega, and today I am going to show you the task number 1, learning about us, in this course, teaching English for a specific purposes. And this work is to our tutor, Clara Esperanza Bilbao. My name is Haider Gomez Vega. I am 22 years old and I'm from Cajica. Cajica is a municipality close to Bogota. I live here with my wife and my 2 daughters. At this moment I'm studying licenciatura en inglés como lengua extranjera at Zipaquirá SECAP, and I am in an 8th semester. My contact number is 321-967-6244. It's the same by WhatsApp, and my email is haideringles@hotmail.com. Who am I? About my expectation for this course, I can say that I hope to learn a lot, provide some of my knowledge that I have learned with my experience. I have as a teacher for 10 years and know how to work with a specific purpose and as a team, which is something very important. And I also hope to learn about the teaching of English directed to a specific areas: scientific, technological, economic, and academic. And finally, I want to learn to design my specific courses to respond to the needs of students who, beyond learning the common language, require relative practice to sustain professional areas. My personal goal is to improve my level of English by practicing my skills while participating and doing all the relative activities for this course. When I say skills, it's to practice speaking, reading, listening, and writing. I also consider this important for me to get involved in everything related to the pedagogical and didactic strategy with the use of ICTs to strengthen. According to the course content, how do you think that the course will help you to improve your teaching competences? This course will help me to be an organized teacher about what I want to achieve with my students in my English classes. Also, knowing how to plan classes with a specific purpose for me and my students according to the needs or context. I also believe that this course will help me find tools to train as an innovative teacher capable to developing in any field and class space. What are the 5 topics that I like the most? One of my 5 themes that I like the most about the course are the Unit 1, that is ESP, because ESP focuses on developing communicative competence in a specific discipline, such as academic, accounting, archaeology, business, teaching, and engineering. ESP, the focus, not parent. It is the second one that I consider I like it most. And what is the ESP? I would like to know about that because I consider it's very important too. And I also like language description, learning theories, and needs analysis. According to the course, how does ESP relative to your language learning experience? The ESP approach enhances the level of what the students are learning and enables them to use English. They know to learn even more English, since their interest in the field will motivate them to interact with the speaker and text. And so I need to say that the last one question is that I haven't been enrolled in a ESP course in the past. Thank you so much. This is about me.